Das ist Bumblebee. Ja, in der Hitze des Gefechtes habe ich an der langen Geraden von 5 in 4 schalten wollen und habe dann den zweiten Gang erwischt.
The first engine, the one that blew up, was a slightly modified 3.2. The second one, however, but that's a story for another day. The engine delivered 280 bhp to the brake, and yeah, now you know why the name is Bumblebee. Oh man, what a tragedy this is.
Die Basis war ein 3 Liter SC, Baujahr 77, einer der ersten 300 ausgelieferten.
With the legendary Le Mans winning ST as an inspiration, the car received F-model bumpers, an F-model anti-roll bar, some reinforcement plates and a central inlet to the fuel cell. Talking about bodywork, all the repairs and upgrades have been carried out by a master welder. Now I've done some welding myself, as you know, but I take my hat off. In the first version of the build, the car had a replica of the original tank made of plastic, but it turned out that it deformed too much under heat, and so the team converted the JP 105 liter steel tank to look as much as possible like the original.
Auch so, das haben wir dann korrigiert und haben das so nachgebaut. Ja. Wo kommst du denn her? Du hast so einen bayerischen Akzent.
Es liegt daran, dass ich aus Bayern komme. The original car's paint was chemically removed, and after all the bodywork had been finished, it received a KTL dip coating and its final paint in Dolphin Grey.
Aber dann hätte es kein Auto werden können.
Genau. Despite of the amazing love and craftsmanship that went into this project, it has never been meant as a show and shine. It gets regular punishment on the racetrack and the close-by highlands, because that is what it was built for.